Alam mo yung feeling na finally wala kang palpak? Yung nasanay ka na lagi na lang may palpak, tapos biglang wala, parang may mali. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, ang Team Spandis ay nandito ngayon sa Alta Veranda de TV and isa-celebrate natin ang wedding ni Miss Chi at ni Sir Gio. Gusto ko lang i-highlight yung mga good things na nagawa namin for today. So meron tayong menu card na na-print at tama ang mga table numbers. Ginaya ko na rin yung mga nakikita ko sa ibang suppliers na yung cake ina-assemble nila doon na mismo sa venue para hindi bumabagsak sa biyahe. There was an instance last time na talagang bumagsak yung wedding cake and we had to buy generic cake lang sa labas para lang may ma-slice sila client. So I don't want that to happen right now. Kaya ito yung ginawa naming solution. O, diba? Ang ganda. The cake is usually free part of the package but additional charge po for an upgrade. Ilagay ko sa comment yung breakdown ng expenses nila client. So habang nagsisetup kami, dumating na yung guard ng venue at in-inspection yung place. Tapos, nakita nila may gas-gas yung floor because yung Tiffany chairs na ni-rent namin ay walang rubber stopper. Kaya, nung malapit na talaga kaming matapos mag-setup, isa-isa nilang pinalagyan. Kaya sabi ko, oh my gosh, na-stress ako bigla. Kasi sabi ko, baka mahuli yung setup. Pero in all fairness, nairaos naman namin to sa tamang oras, which is the most important part. So, meron din tayong mga grazing table, part of the package. Tapos, kumuha si client ng ibang suppliers din, like the empanada, bibingka, the juice station. This is for the cocktail hours after their ceremony. This is our entrance decoration, part of the package too. So, pasok na tayo. After namin mag-set up, I felt like there was still something lacking. Sabi ko, parang kulang ba yung styling? Is there something? Kasi parang bungi. So, ito yung registration table. Ito yung mga parang giveaways nila client. Pero I was still feeling a little uneasy. Kasi sabi ko, oh, ito naman na yung table nila client, yung couple's table. And then, nag-final touches kami. I went around, ito yung buffet. But I felt like there was still something missing. Alam mo yun, mga kamari chef, yung ganong feeling. So, I went back to my list. Tinignan ko, tama naman yung lineup ng food natin. Tama naman na naka two-way buffet. Nagpadagdag si client a day before ng 30 packs. So, bumili ako ng mga gamit. So, tama naman yung number of equipment na dala namin. Sabi ni Chef Buboy sa akin, ay tama na yung pagtitingin mo ng mga kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng idagdag. At bumili muna tayo ng team food kasi hindi tayo nagluto for the team. So, ayan, bumili muna kami ng lechon manok sa pinakamalapit na lugar. At finally, dumating na rin yung florist from the wedding ceremony. Ayun naman pala ang kulang, mga kamari chef, kasi sabi ko, wala naman sa listahan yung red carpet kasi ayaw ni client dahil gusto niya nga pala na maging dance floor yung gitna. Grabe yung kaba ko na parami pa yung kape. Napakagandang couple nito, mga kamari chef. Kinilig ako sa kanila. So we asked the guests to go out muna of the venue and stay in the cocktail area for the pictorial of the bride and the groom. And then ito na sila, pumasok na ulit sila. At medyo kampante na ako, mga kamari chef. Medyo nag-relax-relax na ako. So ito na ako ngayon, nagkakape na naman ako. And may pasuman tayo from one of the food cart suppliers. So we are blessed with the presence of host Jam and Miss Michelle na napakagaling kumanta. Nag-start na rin kami mag-chop ng lechon and we also started plating. So start tayo sa soup and then next is the salad as the appetizer. Kasi meron kaming mga queue na kung saan alam na namin kung kailan namin ilalapag ito sa VIP table. Medyo kandara pa kami dito kasi limited yung space at wala tayong pantry area and we're doing this at the back of the buffet. So nung nakita namin na nag-arrive na si bride at saka si groom, tapos na kami maglagay ng salad and it was just in time for us to start naman with the lunch set. At saktong-sakto, pagkatapos namin sa lunch set, open na ang buffet. So, it was really perfect timing at na-landing na rin namin ang food ni bride and groom. At this point, I was really exhausted. I went out and I saw the photographer and the videographer doing the same day edit. Tapos outside, I heard the pianist play my favorite song, yung Flightless Bird from Twilight yun eh. O ayun, basta kinilig ako, mga kamari chef. So, bumalik ako sa venue and there is another guest na magaling na naman kumanta. Tapos kumanta ulit si Miss Michelle. Grabe, ang ganda ng boses niya. Ito naman yung part na kumakain na si bride and groom pero pitik-pitik lang eh. After the ceremony, the reception, and every activity, ito na kami, mga kamari chef, at nagpo-pull out na ng mga gamit. So we're also cleaning some of the things as we pack. Bilib talaga ako sa team ko kasi Kasi kahit under pressure, kahit napapagsabihan ko sila or minsan napapagalitan ko sila for the little things, they never stop smiling sa hirap ng trabaho nila. So we left the venue spotless and clean. This is me doing Sharon for the client kasi marami tayong tirang pagkain. And this is me paying our suppliers. Nakaka-fulfill yung ganitong pakiramdam mga kamarichef. And at the same time, nakakapagod siya. Naging Plants vs. Zombie na ako. Ayun lang, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Miss Chi and Sir Gio. Thank you so much for trusting Spandies. Bye-bye!